Everyone, welcome back to Osai Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Scandal from the 17th to the 21st of November 2025 on Monday. A looming threat drives Tlhori to confide in Teps and beg for intervention. Desire wins as a man and women surrender to each other. An escape seems possible for Poet, but Toriso has other plans on Tuesday. Revenge is on Mdala's mind, and Teps is caught between duty and Talita's plea. A prayer session takes an unexpected turn with Mathubela caught in the making. Poet is torn between a promise and ambition on Wednesday. One step from Tiro and a Teps could be implicated. Secret unravel as Mathubela pieces it together and Madlomo confesses everything. A wife takes a drastic decision, leaving her husband shocked on Thursday. Toriso's moral compass is put to the ultimate test. Mtutugo promises to keep a secret that, unknown to him, could turn his world upside down. When gifts are handed out, an absent recipient is sorely missed on Friday. Again, Mdala's warning. Tlhori drops a bomb on their partners and it doesn't go down well. A couple plans a night together, but someone close nearly ruins it. Mathubela takes matters into her own hands. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.